Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to work on the BMW. So we left off with this whole thing kind of put together here. Didn't show you guys I did the trim all in black going all the way around, and I also did the wide body pieces on this side only, and there's another piece over there. Sorry I didn't film any of that, but next I'm going to do the side skirt. And I have just had surgery, so I have a pin hanging out of my toe, so that kind of sucks. But it's freezing cold outside, so we're gonna bring it inside, but for now I'm gonna clean it off out in the garage. So now this whole thing is decently clean. It still has a little nicks and crap in it, but nothing really in the middle portion. This little bit here, but you can't even feel it with your fingernail at all. This one you can a little bit, but nothing that you'll be able to tell really bad. Let's get going to wrapping this. That all done besides the ends there, and then I just slap this end over here. Alright, so after all your side skirts popped in, we're just gonna put in the little clips, the little black clips that go in there, and then we should be able to put on the front fender. Not the back one yet, because we have to do the back bumper before. There we go. So you take your washer and your nut bolt here, take your washer and your bolt, slide it through, fiberglass here, and then you take your well nut, has a thread on the bottom here, and you want it to go this way and stick it through there. And what I do is push with my finger on the well nut and then push down with my socket here and just to get it started. So then when you take it onto the car, all you basically have to do is line it up with the holes and push them in. Okay, here. Alrighty, turned the car around, and now it is time to take off the back bumper.